BarryTiger.
Baba, keep truck.
Ba 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 ba. It feels so nice to go for a drive. Huh? Super Mechanic Barry, I need your help.
Huh? Oh, Woolly Sheep Truck, what on earth happened to you?
Aw, I rolled into a bush and crashed into a big tree.
Oh, that was so unlucky.
Super Mechanic Barry, will you be able to fix me? Bah.
Yes, of course.
Huh?
Dear friends, let's repair Woolly Sheep Truck. Sorry about that. The rack seems a bit stuck. It won't take too long.
Bah. Bah.
First, let's take these off. Oh, there's one more on the wheel. Hoi! Oh no! This tire is too badly damaged. Let's change it to a new one. Heave-ho! Heave-ho!
I can jump and hop again.
This is great! Now let's get you washed.
I love showers. Huh? This is so much fun.
And now we'll give you a good scrub. Then let's rinse off the foam. Lastly, let's blow dry the Woolly Sheep Truck.
All right, now I'm a clean woolly sheep truck.
The repair is done. You guys are great.
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry. You've really cleaned me up just now.
You're welcome. But now, I think I also need a shower.
Subscribe!